Hi all. So this is a very interesting class. It's very easy, a very easy concept in SQL. Just has to do with cleaning your data. Okay. In terms of adjusting text elements, especially. The first one we are going to explore is what we call the trim. Okay. This helps you to align your text properly. So far, so good in my data. I think all my texts are aligned. How do we use trim? Okay, so I'm just going to type in select from restaurant data set. I want to select restaurant name. I want to select restaurant name and then trim the text there just in case it's not properly um, adjusted. You can see there are other functions like that. There's a trim, there's a left trim, there's a right trim, and then there's a basic trim. Trim just generally adjusts your text, to arrange them properly and uniformly. Left trim is simply to move your text to the left. Right trim is simply to move your text to the right, just as you have in Microsoft Word. So, what am I trying to trim? I'm trying to trim my restaurant name, and I want to call it um, plain, name, something like that. And that's it. That's it, guys. That is just it. So if I execute this, I'm going to have something like this. No difference because my text was okay before. So maybe we should just try out the left stream and the right stream to see if there'll be any difference. So I'll just type in L trim. Okay, no difference still. Our data has been cleaned from the on set. And if I try out our train, it's been cleaned on the on from the on set. Okay, so the next thing we are going to explore is the replace. How does replace work? Let's say you want to replace a certain text with a certain text. Still restaurant name. I don't need to spend so much time typing new thing. I'll just change this to replace. And what am I replacing? I want to place on my restaurant name column. I want to replace the word restaurant. That's spelled as it is on your data. I want to replace the word restaurant with eatery. Now, you need to take note that the changes here will not affect your original data. It just affects results. Like you just see it in your result or your output. Okay. So if that's what you want to do, you might need to call out all the columns you will need so that you have a new clean data with your new text representation. Okay, something like that. And if I run this through, I would have a new column called eatery. So instead of restaurant one, restaurant two, restaurant three, what I'll be having is eatery one, eatery two, eatery three. That is how replace works. Now, still, I'll still make use of this same, and I want to work with the upper function. I'll paste this here. I want my restaurant name to be represented in uh, upper character. It means I don't need this element anymore here. Okay. Uh, I will call this uppercase. What is uppercase? And this is it. So our restaurant names are now represented in uppercase characters, right? Uppercase character, that is capital letter, caps lock, all true. So it's the same thing if I want to represent all of my text in lowercase character. All I need to do is change upper to lower, then change column name like so. And there you have it. Everything all as lowercase. Simple, easy, very short lesson. You think this is short? Just exercise a little more patience for the next lesson we are going to have. Stop procedure. Very short, very easy, very interesting. I think with SQL, the higher you go, the more interesting it